Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Dark Universe exploring this portal and everything it has to offer, so come along and join us. Alright guys, as we walk through the portal, oh, can you feel it guys? It's alive. It's alive. It's probably my favorite portal to walk through. And over here, in Frankenstein's catacombs, you can sometimes hear Igor. Nothing. All right, walking through the cemetery now. And here is Darkmoor. Welcome, my friends. Alright, so you never know what you can find out here. And of course there, you can get your makeup done. Pretty cool. Now, fun fact about it, when you do it, you cannot drink alcohol when you do that. So just remember that. Alright, so I dropped a few photos of inside there, what the booth looks like. Pretty cool. There wasn't nobody in there, so I just asked, but it's a pretty cool place. And there's Dawn Steakhouse. I did a separate video on there, but I will show like a few little things as well. Hello. How are y'all doing?
We are alive.
Alive? Friend. Oh, I was thinking I drove 6 hours just so I can meet you. Friends. You're my bestie. Like BFs.
What is bestie?
Like BFFs, best friends. Like there, there's friends and you got best of friends. Best friends. Best friends are better than friends. Now I got a problem though. I got a little girl at home I left, and she says she has no friends. She's 2 years old. She says no friends. So what should I tell?
Still learning to make friends.
She has no desire to make friends. She hates everybody.
People are
Toddlers are evil.
People are hard to learn.
They are. She reminds me of that guy, the Invisible Man on there. He's not so nice either. I think they would do good together, connecting one.
There is a friend for everyone.
There is.
Even Jack Griffin.
Even Jack Griffin. I'll remember that.
Yes, they could be.
That could be. I'll remember that. Frankenstein, tell what you got to tell Livy. Tell Livy to make some friends. See, Livy, be good. And what about Maddie? What you got to say to Maddie? I have another girl too.
She is mad.
No, Maddie. No, her name's Madison. We call her Maddie though. Maddie loves you. Maddie, she loves Frank.
It is a name that sounds mad, but is not.
Just Madison. Just Madison. Yeah, Madison. There you go. Madison Kate. There you go. Give her a message. You hear that, Maddie? Be gentle. All right, well, I'm not going to hold y'all up. We're going to get a good quick picture. some vampires that are currently in there. Hope they don't come out though. Now, sometimes you might find the Invisible Man. He may be in here somewhere. But as we're walking through Darkmoor, here is Frankenstein's Manor. And it's actually only a 10-minute wait. Now most times it's either a 10 or 25-minute wait. Now the other day it was a 50-minute wait, but it was a delayed 30 most of the day though. But this is a pretty cool little place to check out. And right here is Curse of the Werewolf. Now, honestly, on this ride, I probably wouldn't wait no more than like 20-25 minutes for this. And in case you're wondering, the test seats are right over there. You need to test them out. And similar to the Harry Potter attraction at Islands of Adventure, but I will say this one's very accommodable. For a big person like me, I could found it a little more forgiving. Just my opinion, though. And of course, over here, here's some more food you can get. All right, over here at Dark Universe, they had their signature, like a coffin kind of freestyle machine. But try this. They have their own signature drink called Screaming Berry, and it is delicious. Ooh, looks delicious, guys, and refreshing. All right, my friends. So over here is the Burning Blade Tavern. What I'm gonna try to do is each park I'm touring, at least get like one snack and one drink. So here I'm gonna get one snack and one drink too here at this place. I'm not really hungry for a Dog Steakhouse, but I do want to try something here I've never tried before. All right, guys, and before we walk in, here's a little show. All right, guys, let's go in. Here is the Burning Blade. Right now it's currently full, but I think we can go eat outside. All right, guys, so we are here in Burning Blade Tavern, and I went ahead and ordered a 100 garlic steak. So it's like a pretzel with garlic dip sauce. Well, it's a crispy garlic butter pretzel. So I'm into, and I love a good pretzel, so I've heard that these are like the best theme park pretzels to try, so we'll see. They also have a burning cheddar bite. So I'm gonna come back in December and try that when my wife comes, because she said, Jonathan, when you go there, don't try to put them cheese without me. I said, all right, I'll do that. And they also have a charred loaded potato. That looks kind of good too. They also have a Burning Blade burger and a steak chicken thing. I also got the souvenir Monte Cane mocktail. So I've heard before, strange things can happen when you do it, like really strange things. All right, guys, here is the Monte Cane mocktail and 100's garlic steak. I'm really excited to try this. So let's dive into this. All right, guys, here goes nothing. So here's this little garlic steak. Ooh, that's a nice little pretzel. I'm trying to think, should I do with or without the butter thing first? I don't know. Let's try it without it. Here we go. Wow, pretty tasty. All right, guys, so we're gonna dip into the butter now. Here it goes nothing. Woo. Wow, this is really good. Tourist rating 5 out of 5, hands down. Cheers. All right, so I need to wash down with something. So what better way than a Monte Cane mocktail? And they said something like a citrus drink, so I don't know, let's try it. Here goes nothing, bottoms up. Honestly, It tastes like a mojito. Just my opinion though. It tastes like a mojito to me. Pretty good though. All right, guys. So I have eaten my pretzel. It is gone, devoured, and I'm just about to drink all this Monte mocktail. I'm not for sure what's gonna happen after I drink all this. I need to ask the Invisible Man if I can find him. Ask him what happens after I drink all this. Will something happen to me? Will something not happen to me? Will I be okay? I don't know. We'll find out. All right, on back to the tour. So over here is the Curse of the Werewolf. Oh, here's the hunter right here.
It's a much bigger deal, so the monster's going to go for him and then you can survive.
Yep, here's the Curse of the Werewolf. And also there's a test seat right over there. And they do offer single rider and express. Currently 55 minutes. No thank you.
It's a little suspicious that I find you right on top of the werewolf tracks, don't you think?
Maybe.
Maybe. I mean, I see the beard, you know.
The beard?
The beard, the tracks.
Well, you got a beard too, though.
I do have it. See, now you're just trying to turn it around on me. I see this kind of gaslighting that you do, werewolf. Suspicious. Very suspicious.
Very suspicious. Oh. I don't got any scratch marks. But, all right, well, anyways, on to the tour. And over here you got a little gift shop. Can't go off a ride without the gift store. Alright, so here's some interesting details over here. So you got some footprints, looks like a man, and you keep on walking, and right here you got wolf tracks over here. That's pretty cool. It just keeps on going over to the ride. And over here, you got a scratch mark right over there. So, pretty cool to know. Alright, and here is Monsters Unchained. It also offers single rider and express. And over here you have the testes. So let's go on to it. Let's go visit the good doctor. But of course,
Monsters Igor, please contact the lab. Monsters Igor, please contact the lab.
And also there is no filming allowed on this ride, but I can film the queue, so we'll do a little walk through this queue. Woo, AC feels good. So it is a 10-minute wait. So it's like it's a straight on walk. And like I said, the ride's constantly moving, so it really doesn't stop. So I think that's why the ride's never like a really long wait. Oh, just saw something. Just saw a sign here. Where is the monster? And over there is the extended queue. But to the library. Never know what you can find in here. Oh, here's some old classic monsters stuff. Lab rats, don't touch. Wow, that is cool. And right up these stairs. All right, carry along. You also want to sit back?
It's not human anymore.
That's pretty cool. So one thing I will say, if you do single rider, it bypasses all this, so you don't get to see the pre-show. But I feel like it'd be like if we did a pre-show, probably like 2-minute wait. But like I want to show you all the pre-shows here. There's a good doctor herself. And you got a view of downstairs. Do we get the pre-show today? I don't think so. But you'd get like a little pre-show here, and you'd get one here, but looks like it's not running today. Yeah, the doctor's feeling busy. But normally you'd have Frankenstein up here. Disappointing. I was really hoping to see that. Like, I was here the other day and they didn't have it. So I do apologize for not getting to show that to you. But, and over here is the locker room. When you dump out your drinks, you can go right here. But like I said, we're just gonna I got a cup here. And the lockers are big enough where you can hold your drinks in there without having to spill. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Bada bing, bada boom. To the other side. Alright guys, so we are now exiting Dark Universe. It was pretty awesome to come out here and check it out. So there's two paths. You can go through the portal or you can go out that way. So pretty cool about that way. One side looks kind of spooky, but when you go on the other side, it's nice and clean. But we're gonna walk through the portal on our way out. Oh. What better way to leave than the grand entrance? Alright guys, that's gonna do it here from Dark Universe. Thanks so much for watching. I enjoyed making this video. The garlic steaks, Ride Monsters Unchained. I did a werewolf the other day, so of course I can't film it, so there wasn't no sense in doing it, but it is an awesome ride. But again guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, for more future content. We got more portals to jump around to. So, see you guys in the next one. The vlog is out. To the next portal, my friends.